Welcome. Let's look at this question. Why height reduces with age? There are a number of reasons why the height of the human body tends to reduce as we age, but the most significant of them all is attributed to the fact that the intervertebral discs tend to undergo some form of transformation as we age. Let's dive into the structural configuration of the intervertebral disc to be able to establish this. This is the general configuration of the vertebral column, and the intervertebral disc is a fibrocartilaginous structure that is seen between two vertebrae. So this is one vertebra and this is another vertebra, and in between them we have the intervertebral disc, and this is the intervertebral disc highlighted in blue. This is specifically connecting the vertebral body of the superior vertebra to the inferior vertebra. And if you look at this alignment, this is the vertebral column. We also have the intervertebral disc in this region. So let's dive into the structural component of the intervertebral disc. This is the intervertebral disc in this region, intermediate structure between the superior thoracic vertebral body and the inferior thoracic vertebral body. At the central portion of the intervertebral disc, we have the nucleus pulposus. This is the nucleus pulposus highlighted in red. This structure is jelly-like because it contains high amount of water. And surrounding this structure is the annulus fibrosus. This is the annulus fibrosus that is highlighted in black. This structure contains high collagen fibers, and this is what gives the intervertebral disc the tensile strength that it presents. And going further, at the superior and the inferior part of this structure, we have the region that is painted black, and this is the vertebral end plate. The vertebral end plate is like an intermediate structure between the components of the intervertebral disc in this region and also the vertebral body of the superior vertebra. We also have another vertebral end plate at the inferior part, which tends to demarcate the components of the intervertebral disc and also the body of the inferior thoracic vertebra. So that is the general configuration of the intervertebral disc. The intervertebral disc generally contributes to about 25% of the entire height of the spine. So if any form of transformation or degeneration occur to the intervertebral disc, it is definitely going to affect the height of the spine. That is what this means, and this will concurrently reduce the height of the human body. Remember, we said that the nucleus pulposus is a jelly-like structure that contains high amount of water. This water tends to dry up as we age, and if it dries up, it is going to affect the general configuration and also the size of the intervertebral disc, because if it dries up, it's going to shrink and also reduce the size of this intervertebral disc. And if the size and the height or thickness of the intervertebral disc is reduced, it is definitely going to reduce the height of the spine, and this is what translates to reducing the height of the human body as we age. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet again.